everyone, Nika Chill is here, and today we have second day of how to twerk in 7 days challenge. Today we will talk about Jiggle. For beginners it's the most difficult one because they start running and I don't know, all body it's moving, but all I need it's little jiggle, you know what I mean? So let's have a few squats before we start. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. With the stops it feels like it will go down with me. And on the last one sit here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start bounce. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go on right. 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and stay. Open your knees. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your knees together. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your right knee on 8, 7, keep balance, keep control, and 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. With your left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your hips will go front. We will start with right one, after that left one, and right one, and left one. What you need to think about that I'm not going to right and left direction. I'm trying to still hold on one spot, nothing moving, but my hips going front, my right and my left. My chest don't really go with your hips. It's like everything what higher your belly button. Hold it. 8 and 7 and 6 and 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. What I think sometimes it's like when you're doing it, your shoulder just want to go how it's going, but when I put in my right hip front, I'm trying to think about left shoulder front. So it's kind of, I'm not really moving my shoulder, but I'm keeping it on control. So when my left hip go in front, I'm trying to keep my right one on spot, so my right will go front. Left and right. And from here you can just make it faster on your speed, but still think about having it front and don't using your shoulder. Same like your head not moving. Think about that you have some books, you can put anything on your head and just try to move your hips right to left, but front. It's not about right to left, it's about front, 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 front. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Will look like that. Now we have it slow, just tempo. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Hey, 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 and hey. And from here I will try just do the same stuff, but I will make it faster. And here you can have a trouble to keep your shoulder. If you have it, take any chair, take a wall. Do I have anything here? I have this stuff. Come to something where you can put your hands and just stay. I remember when I was on kitchen, was cooking something, put it anywhere what's stable, hold on it, and try to move only your hips, right and left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And when you start feeling comfortable, you're just making it faster. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What you should to think about is that your knees, it's not bent, so it's not here. My knees, it's straight, and I'm using only my hips. Toes looking like on diagonal, you don't should to be super straight, but it's however you feel comfortable, really. I call it jiggle, and I call this one a booty clap. So when I will have a booty clap, I'm thinking about, you know, when we was children and we was walking outside of your feet and inside, I'm trying to put weight of my body on outside and inside of my feet without taking my feet from the ground. So my feet holding to the ground, but my weight of my body coming from outside to inside of my feet. So when I'm coming outside, my knees will look on diagonals. When I'm coming weight of my body on inside of my feet, my knees trying to look to each other and kiss. Out, in, out, in, out, in. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I will try to do same stuff, but only with my right leg, so my left fully isolated, my body fully isolated, and only my right leg coming out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Let's go. Go for it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I will do the same with my left one. Out, in, out, in, out, in. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now I will combine jiggle and booty clap. Jiggle, it's when I'm coming side to side. Booty clap, it's when my knees coming in and out. So I will start with 4 jiggle. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make it slower. You can make it 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find your speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. After what, I will have booty clap on 4 counts as well. You can find your speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 1 8 count. I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my next 8 count will be 4 with my right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 with my left one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Just this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even when it's slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever speed feel comfortable for you, and I mix it all. So it will be booty, and now I combine all 4 together. So it will be jiggle, 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 booty clap, booty clap, booty clap, booty clap. Right, 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 left, 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 left. Again, jiggle, 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 jiggle. Booty clap, booty clap, booty clap, booty clap. Right, 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 left, 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 left. Jiggle, booty clap, only right, and only left. Let's have whole 8 count for each of that. So I will have 8 of my jiggle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with my knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with my right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with my left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I will have just 6 with my ass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're coming back for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only right and ha. Only left. Da da da. Now I will try to do it with 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jiggle, jiggle. Booty clap, booty clap. Right, right, left, left. Even when it's slow, you just keep moving. Right, right, and left, late. Wa, pa, ita, ta, ita, ta, 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 ta. What if you will try to do it with 1? So it will be 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, it's challenging 1. But if you will train it, you will become so good with that. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, I know your brain can just like go crazy. It was day 2 on how to twerk in 7 days, just in 10 minutes per day. Thanks you for watching. You can repeat this video as much time as you feel comfortable to jiggle it on any position possible, on any speed possible. It will really help you to just train again and again. Even on my normal live classes, we do the same stuff every day, so it can be a cool morning routine, you know what I mean? Hugs and kisses, and I see you on day 3.